Welcome back to my channel, guys. In today's video, I'm going to make some delicious thumbprint cookies, and they are perfect for the holiday season, and they are simple to make, guys. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much for coming back each week. And if it's the first time you're visiting, thank you for joining. Please hit the red button, subscribe, and join the family. So let's head straight to the kitchen now, guys. And here is a run through of the ingredients. Here I have flour, butter, vanilla, sugar, 1 egg, salt and baking powder, and jam. And you can use whichever flavor you prefer, guys. And here are the mixing process. I'm going to cream the butter and the sugar for around 2 minutes until it becomes light and fluffy. Then we go on to the next step. Going to add the egg and vanilla and mix to combine. Now that we got the consistency that we're looking for, I'm going to add the flour in 2 portions and mix until we form a dough. Then we go on to the next step. Moving right along, guys, here I have my cookie sheet already lined, and I'm going to take small portion and form balls. Then we go on to the next step. And this amount of dough make 12 thumbprints cookie, okay? The balls, I'm going to add some sugar in my hands so that it doesn't stick while rolling, okay? Our Thumb's cookies are already finished forming. Now for the fun part, we're going to press them gently and pressing them gently will prevent them from cracking while baking. Then we go on to the next step. Guys, to make the thumbprint, you can use a thumb, or if you have a wooden spoon, you can use a tip of the wooden spoon. But another tip, you have to dip the wooden spoon or your thumb in powdered sugar so it doesn't stick, okay? That we're making, guys, please try not to push it straight through the cookie. It's just an indent we need so we can add the jam. Okay, now I'm adding the jam, and then I'm going to place in my preheated oven, and I'm going to bake these for 9 to 12 minutes. Trust me guys, the top will look as if it's not baked, but it's completely baked after 9 minutes, okay? Then after removing from the oven, place in a cooling rack and allow to cool before enjoy. And here you have it, guys, the final product. Hope you guys enjoy this recipe, and give me a thumbs up, guys, and please turn the notification bell on so as soon as I drop a new video you will be notified. Happy holidays, guys, and as usual, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next time, guys. Bye.